The Assam Royal Global University is not leaving any stone unturned to combat the threat of COVID-19 and is strictly following all COVID protocols as directed by the central and the state governments.
I believe all the protocols are being followed in the Royal Global University, and I believe that everything is going according to the norms and protocols that have been given by the state government. The classes are quite normal, going quite normally with blending mode of 50% students in the campus and rest in the online mode.
প্ৰতিখন বেঞ্চত এজন ল'ৰা বা এজন ছোৱালী বহাই দিছে আৰু সব চেনিটাইজ কৰা আছে প্ৰতিটো ক্লাছত পিছতে গোটেই বেঞ্চ ডেস্ক সব চেনিটাইজ কৰা আছে বাথৰুমবিলাকো চেনিটাইজ কৰা হৈছে
We are maintaining social distancing in our class, and our classes are having in blended mode where most of the students are attending online classes and few of them are from campus.
As soon as the Assam government announced that in educational institutions, both government and private, only 50% students will be allowed in person on a day.
At any rate, not more than 50% student on any day should be allowed for the in-class training. It should not be that at 100% capacity, it should be at 50% capacity. 50%. So both the option of virtual should be there, plus if they want 50% in-house can be allowed. Next.
Royal Global University have started blended mode of education where 50% students can attend classes physically and the others are asked to attend classes online. The university has a total of 3,800 students, and as soon as the new guidelines were announced by the Assam government, only 1,134 students attended classes in Royal Global University on Wednesday, 21st April.
Thank you, Barkha. Just one information I want to share with you, especially with the students and all teaching fraternity, that the total number of students in Royal Global University are 3,800. And if we go by 50% norms of Government of Assam, which has been recently notified by Education Department, we should not be having more than 1,900 students in the campus. And yesterday yesterday means 21st of April, when the first day we have implemented the new guidelines, at a time in the campus, there were never more than 1,200 students. Forget about 1,800, it was or 1,900. It was around 1,034 students of undergraduate as per our attendance record, and that record we collect every day in the evening. And the total number of students appeared for the first examination in the first hour, means in the forenoon session was 124 for PG, and the evening it was 133. So if I can calculate maximum 133 plus 1034, that is not even equal to 1200. So at a time it was less than 1200, and I think we were exactly following all the norms. None of the classes we were having classes where more than 50% of the students were sitting in the capacity of the class. I don't think so there is anything which has been done wrong by Royal Global University.
Many students are satisfied with the COVID-19 protocols maintained and followed in the university, whereas some are also concerned about the situation in the state as well as in the university.
Me as a student, when I enter the university, the rules are being followed. There's proper sanitization, there's social distancing is followed. We enter the department, the teachers and the faculty members check whether each and every students are wearing their mask.
We are in the campus right now. Everything is good. We are keeping ourselves sanitized, well maintained, and we are keeping the social distancing. And as far as the guidelines of the government, we are keeping ourselves sanitized 24/7, and plus we are wearing our mask.
The teachers and security officials of the university keep a check on the students and anyone who is visiting the university that all the social distancing norms and COVID-19 protocols are being followed.
We at Royal Global University have taken every initiative, every effort to create awareness amongst all the stakeholders who are associated with the university functioning. The students have themselves shown their responsibility by maintaining social distancing in the classrooms, by putting on their masks throughout the day, and trying to keep themselves away from any kind of gathering that they see in front of them. And also, at many times, the faculty members have made rounds in the corridors and the classrooms, reminding the students to maintain and in a disciplined manner and observe the protocols that are to be taken care of to keep oneself safe.
ইয়াত আমি সকলোকে স্যানিটাইজাৰ কৰাও আৰু মাস্ক নোহোৱাবিলাককো মাস্ক আমি দি পেলাই হ'লেও মাস্ক পিন্ধাওঁ। যিবিলাকে স্যানিটাইজাৰ কৰিবলৈ বা স্যানিটাইজাৰ দেখা নাপায় সেইবিলাককো আমি স্যানিটাইজাৰৰ পৰা মাতি আনি চেনিটাইজাৰ কৰাই ল'ম।
The Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Dr. S.P. Singh, clarified that the university will keep arranging the classes and exams for the students, but by maintaining all norms and protocols announced by the government.
An educational institution is basically meant for education, for delivering classes. We have practical classes going on. The students are eagerly attending the practical classes. I personally interacted with many students. They all are willing to come and do the practicals because on the virtual platform, practicals are not possible. And students are, very supportive. Teachers are very supportive. They are appearing in the examination with full zeal and enthusiasm. And I am sure that we will be able to carry forward till the time Corona is not going to make a major dent. And I request God and pray that Corona should subside as quickly as in Assam. And I'm very fortunate that our education minister, our health minister and chief minister, they are working day and night so that we can contain Corona in this state. And we all will try to help our leadership, including Prime Minister and ministers out here in Assam, so that we can cope up with the situation very soon and education should not suffer. That is the objective.
He asserted that lockdown is not a solution, but containing the COVID surge is what everyone should be working towards.
So in my opinion, this is negligible number in comparison to other states, and we should support the government in this regard. Lockdown is not the solution. Closure is not the solution, because that will further aggravate the economy to an extent till the time we come to a situation where we are really unable to control. If we have faith in government and they are saying that they control, we are following the norms.
It needs to be mentioned that even in 2020, when lockdown was announced in the country, Royal Global University followed all necessary requirements to safeguard the students and the teachers without failing to complete the academic process on time. Only Royal Global University in the Northeast conducted exams on time, and the students received their results on time. This time too, the entire fraternity of Royal Global University, including students and teachers, are united, and the varsity will combat the threat of COVID-19 along with continuing the classes both in offline and blended mode as directed by the government. With video journalist Dhiman Garg, Barkha Ekpam reporting for Royal Times.